Damn it, oh god. Back in action, boys. You guys can't tell, man, I'm sweaty. This has been a long day. I've been dealing with police, not actually that long this morning, but dealing with police, making reports, and now I'm coming at you guys with what happened, because that's what I do on my channel when people start screwing with me, which sorry, I'm not getting mad. Today's video actually was supposed to be a Black Friday video. If you guys don't know, I'm banned from every mall in the city, and if I go there, because they've reported me and all of that, I get arrested for trespassing, which I don't think is actually going to happen, but apparently it can. So anyway, I was going to go to the mall today, do some Black Friday shopping, and just screw with people. Thought that'd be really fun. We haven't been to the mall in a long time. The reason being, once again, because I would like to not get arrested again. But we can't because of what happened today. But also I do need to say I pre-filmed this clip. This video is sponsored by a company that we paired together. Wanted to put out a Black Friday video for them. However, with what's happening, I can't. Anyway, sponsorship real quick, then I'll come back to you guys. This video is brought to you by rosegoldandblack.com. Y'all probably heard of them. If you haven't, here's how it goes. The website's sick. They got jewelry on it. As y'all can see, watches. They got chains. They got rings. They got bracelets. I had my bracelet I was going to show you, but I think my girlfriend borrowed it. But this watch is really cool. Super sick, super low key. All their items are like that. It's not too flashy, nor is it kind of dorky and weirdly branded. They got RG&B right there. That's all they have, which is dope. Those companies are going to put their goddamn logo all over the strap so they can get a little more attention. They don't do it that way. I dig them a lot. And the reason we're actually coming to you guys today for this video is they're having a huge Black Friday sale on right now. If you guys click the link down below, it'll give you 30% off plus free shipping. And if you guys want an additional 10% off, which means 40% off, which is almost 50% off, so that's sick, then you guys use the code Black Friday at checkout. Anyway, man, here's 3 items that I picked personally off the website that I would buy. You guys can go check out a lot of other things if you want to. Black Friday sale, it ain't gonna last forever, bro. Guess why? Because tomorrow's Saturday. Oh, it might still be up on Saturday, I'm not sure. Anyway, go check it out. They got dope stuff. Once again, low key is the best key thing to do. Bye. Thanks, Rose Gold and Black. Good. Alright, man, so what happened today is pretty much I got jacked up. Actually, I'll start with yesterday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving for you Americans. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Canadian. We don't celebrate that. However, what we were celebrating actually was some family birthdays. So me and my girlfriend was at my mom's house or whatever. And we ended up staying up really late there, just playing games and stuff like that with the family. We spent the night, crashed there, came home at 7 or 7:30 a.m. this morning because my girlfriend had to come to work. My car got jacked last night, one of them. Anyway, sorry, I'm trying to explain what's happening, and I'm not even gonna worry about telling the story proper because I'm still pissed. And I actually filmed clips this morning of me reacting to this. No, stop, Sarah. So our car just got jacked. We came home, I don't know, it's been about a half hour. This is what it should be. I'm trying not to yell because my neighbors are generally outside. You see that right there? My car is generally there. There's no print there because that thing doesn't generally move in winter. I was just gonna upload that video of me reacting to this, but I lost my temper. I mean, I smashed my TV. Damn it, oh god. Oh shoot. Oh, thank god I didn't hit this one. I think I threw a chair. I swear to god, man! I was yelling, I was swearing a lot. I don't want to put that up. I'm trying to clean up my channel so I can actually make some damn money off this site. You stupid motherfuckers, you got the fucking TV all f***ed. I swear to god, bro, people are ever since I moved into this house with my girlfriend, it's been nothing but problems. I think it was like 2 years ago, all my shoes got jacked from my car, the other car, which, you know, happens. Then, I think like 3 or 4 months after that, somebody broke into our house. That was crazy. Now, our cars always get like rifled through, but it happens to everyone on the block. Like, our cars get broken into and stuff is stolen, generally just change. I usually have a bunch of shoes in the back of my car. All they take is a change because it's some bum-ass dudes. Anyway, I'm just letting you guys know what's happening. I was supposed to have this Black Friday video. Here's some clips of the video, I guess, that I filmed today when I was reacting. We're putting up cameras, man, and if you guys know who does this, and I don't know if it's targeted, I swear to god it is, though. If you guys know, let me know. I'm letting the police know, and then I'm gonna go to their door and probably rip their goddamn head off. Sarah, get the cops on the phone. So there it is. Boys, I'm sorry. It's just things that don't go according to plan. And I swear to god, man, with the conspiracy stuff, I swear it's like kind of targeted or something like that. Because nobody got, like, it was like goddamn Honda Civic. Who wants that? Well, a lot of people, I guess. It was like, I don't know, I think it was appraised like 8 grand, really good condition, pretty new, gone. I'm pissed. And yeah, it's just another thing to add. I guess like if they stole it, don't find it, because I just like to get insurance money or whatever. I think it's insured. I hope my girlfriend insured it, so I don't even know. I'm still dealing with this crap. Another win for the NameBran fam. Cars stolen. Great. Now my girlfriend's got the other one. I can't do anything. Fuck me.